Checking if variable exists in namespace. I'm trying to use the output of my argparse, simple argparse with just 4 positional arguments that each kick of a function depending on the variable that is set to true. At the moment I'm trying to figure out how to best ask Python to see when one of those variables is set to true, without having to hardcode like I do now. I'd rather just use one command to check if a variable exists within the namespace and if it's set to true, but I can't for the life of me figure out how to do this in an efficient manner.
If solved my problem with a list comprehension, after using the tip to use vars. L is a list of keys in the dict that have a value of true.
You can use ns, battery, assume ns equals namespace battery equals false, cache equals true, health equals false, hotspare equals false. Much cleaner than vars ns.getBattery, I would think.
Use vars to convert your namespace to a dictionary, then use dict.getYourKey, which will return your object if it exists, or a none when it doesn't. Example: my_args.py. Command line.
Answering the title, not the detailed question, to check that variable A is defined in the NS namespace.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.